Instagram ads can be the fastest way to gain real followers on Instagram, but only if you set up the ad correctly. In this step-by-step guide, I will show you how to create Instagram ads that bring real followers. I mean followers that will engage on your post and also buy whatever you are selling. In case you're seeing me for the first time, my name is Popka Innocent. On this channel, I teach step-by-step tutorials on how to run Facebook ads, Instagram ads, and TikTok ads. So if you're interested in learning social media marketing the right way, then go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Click on the subscribe button below, turn on the bell notification so that you don't miss my next social media marketing tutorial. Have you done that now? Alright, let's continue. Open your Instagram app, click here to select the particular Instagram profile you want to use for your ad. Now that you're on the page, scroll to the particular video you want to use for your ad. You can use video for the ad or you use carousel, but I'll prefer video. There are specific types of video creative that works very well when you want to run Instagram ads for followers. The ad creative is everything when it comes to running Instagram ads that convert. By ad creatives, I'm talking about the videos, images, and ad copy. When your goal is to gain real followers on Instagram with ads, then your creative needs to make people think, I like this content. I want to see more of it, so I will follow this page. You get the idea now? Here are 4 proven video content ideas you can use for your Instagram ad creative. Number 1 is educational content. Teach something quick. Create 15 to 35 seconds how-to videos that solve a small problem in your niche. For example, if your page is on real estate, share 5 important questions you need to ask before buying any landed property to avoid scam. At the end of the video, say, I share useful tips like this to save you from land issues. Follow me for more. That way, the only people that are coming are those who are interested in landed properties, and those are your real customers. You can tweak it depending on your own niche, okay? Number 2 is before and after content. Show a short transformation video. It could be physical transformation, financial transformation, design, or lifestyle. For example, if you're into skincare niche, you can show the before and after of your clients after applying your products. You can put a specific duration, maybe in 1 month, in 2 months, or 3 months, as the case may be. Then at the end of the video, you will say, I can help you achieve results like this. Follow me for more daily tips. You can as well tweak this to fit your own niche. The third video creative idea is entertaining content. You can use humor or a relatable scenario tied to your niche. Example, you can do a short video, then you put a caption at the top saying, when you spend hours editing your post and it still flops. Then cut to, want to know how to grow on Instagram? Follow my page. You see that right now? Maybe you are an Instagram coach, and you want to address those who are struggling to grow their pages on Instagram. This is the best way to approach it. You can also tweak it to suit your own niche. Let me tell you number 4. The fourth video creative type is authority, the one I call proof content or result-oriented content. Record a short video where you show proof of results in your industry or in your niche. Then invite viewers to follow your page. Example, if you run a food content page, create a short video saying, in the past 30 days, over 5,000 food lovers have followed my page because of my quick and easy recipes. If you want a simple meal you can prepare under 10 minutes, follow me now. I post new recipes every day. You see what I just did there? That way, there is no way these people are not going to follow you after watching your useful content. You can apply this in any of your niches. Just go with the particular video idea format I just explained that suits your own niche. If you don't know how to apply this to your niche, just comment your niche at the comment section below, and I will give you video creative idea you can use to run that ad and get more followers. After posting the video you want to use for that ad, select the video. Example, this is the particular video you want to use for that ad. Just tap on it. Then scroll down. Below the video, you see this boost post button. Click on the boost post. For followers ad, I recommend this boost post other than using your Meta Ads Manager for Instagram ad, because this one works very well when it comes to running ads for followers. Now you need to select your goal. You're expected to use this one that says visit your profile. This one works for page followers. Okay, after selecting that goal, you will see this next button down below. Click on next. It is very simple and straightforward. Now you need to set your audience. These are several audiences that I've set for my client here. This particular client of mine run clothing business for women. If you have not had any audience set before, you can create your own audience. So select create your own. When you click on create your own, the first thing is to name your audience. So click on audience name. So I can name it followers audience so that I'll know that this particular audience, I use it for followers. Okay, after naming your audience, click on locations to select the particular locations you want to target. When you click on locations, you will see two location selection here. You will see regional and you will also see local. Now let me explain these two for you. For regional, this is where you can select countries, you can select states, you can select cities as the case may be. While for local, you are to select the particular location where you are standing as at that time. You can see this particular location map, this Google map. Now, for example, if you are in a particular location and you only want to target those within that vicinity, you can target like 5 miles away, 5 radius away, depending on, just let me say it's a physical business, I want to target only those within there, within that vicinity, the closest people, then you can use this local. But this particular case, I want to target particular cities, specific cities, so I will click on regional. Okay, you will see this add locations bar. Click on add locations to input your location. I'll tap on it now. I want to target places like Lagos State. When you input Lagos State, you will see Lagos, Nigeria region. If you scroll down, you see other places in Lagos like Surulere, Imota, Lagos, Ikeja, and all that. So just select specific places that you want to target. I will target Lagos, Nigeria, Surulere, Ikeja. So just select the areas that you want. Okay, then you can add another city. Just tap on add locations here. I want to add Abuja as well as Port Harcourt. So I'll just type in Abuja right here and I will be able to add it. You'll see it, the suggestion will come up here. Abuja, Nigeria, Federal Capital Territory. So I will just select Abuja here. Then I will tap on add locations again and I want to add Port Harcourt. Now you can add as many locations as you want. You can add up to 20 cities, but I just want to use 5 cities. I've added Port Harcourt now. Then I will click again and another city I want to add is Ibadan. After adding Ibadan, another city I want to add is Asaba, Nigeria. Okay, it has come out. I've selected it now. Now you see my estimated audience size is between 5.9 million to 7 million. Okay, then I'll check this good sign button top here. The next thing to do is to set your age. You will see minimum age bracket here, so click here to select the age you want. Okay, when I tap on it, I want my minimum age to be from 22 and above. Ensure that you select the age based on the kind of product you're promoting on your page or the kind of service you're rendering on your page. Okay, then I will tick this good sign up here. After setting the minimum age, I will go further to set gender. So you will click on this particular place you see audience suggestion optional here. Click on it and you'll be able to set gender. When you click on it, you will see age and gender right here. Click on it to set the gender you want. Remember, this my audience is selling clothes for women, so I will only select women because this is the right audience for her. So I will uncheck men and select only women for her. If the product or service you're selling is not gender specific, then you can use both gender. But in my own case, the client is selling only what is meant for women. I know that men buy things for their women, but from the sales that we have been making for the past 2 months, most of the people who are patronizing highest is women. So let's just focus on women. I will click on this good sign up here. So go ahead and click on this good sign here again. Okay, now that we have finished setting our audience, click on this next button below. The next thing here is to set your daily budget. Remember, Instagram is more expensive than Facebook. Okay, for daily budget here, this is 7,630 naira. You can drag this forward here to increase the daily budget or backward here to reduce the daily budget. So I want to reduce the daily budget.
I'll drag it backward. I want to use 3052 naira daily, so I'll drag it to that point. Then the next thing is to set your duration, how long you want this advert to run. You can run it until you pause or you set your duration. Since this one is followers ad, I would like to set duration. Okay, so I'll click on this, select this, hold it. You can drag it forward to increase the number of days, or you drag it backward to reduce the number of days, anyone. Okay, so I want it to be 1 week, so I'll drag it forward to 7 days. After setting the duration, I'll click on this next button below to continue. Now you are at the review, so you will see everything that you have been setting. You see your payment method. You can change the payment method if this is not the particular payment method you want to use. If the amount in the ad account is not up to, like in this case, this is 2,675 naira, is not up to here, so you can click on this add funds to add more money to your ad account. After that, you will see this boost post button here, so click on boost post and your ad will be in review. After review, it will be approved and it will start running. If you have any questions, just comment below and I'll reply to your questions. Don't forget to like this video and drop a comment below.